Hello, welcome to my channel. You have a passion for nature photography? You live in a city? You're feeling very frustrated because you don't get the opportunities to pursue your hobby? All you need is some tips and encouragement, and you can be that nature photographer that you have dreamt about. In just 4 months you can build up your own fantastic portfolio of nature photographs. I will send you weekly assignments, packed with tips, for the next 4 months to help you develop your nature photography skills. Plus, as an introductory offer, I am going to give the first 100 people a discount of 50%. Click the link below for more.